doing some sledgehammers. What are we starting with?
Today, well, first, you get a tire. You can get it at a junkyard, if you're a mechanic, if you have a mechanic, if you don't go to a dealership.
Or anything that you could bounce off of.
Yes.
It doesn't have to be a tire.
Mat. I used to use a mat before my mechanic had a tire. I'm using this kind of sledgehammer. It's different than a regular sledgehammer that you get from Home Depot. So today I'm going to show you how I do sledgehammer workouts with three kinds of sledgehammer workouts. So first I'm going to do overhead. So I grab it, this, and then hold on, my left hand. So just like that, just like that. Okay, get it back.
3 sets of 10, right?
Yes, 3 sets of 10.
So he's going to show you all 3 sets. Or at least 10 of each. Told you guys it was windy.
It's like Velcro sitting here. Then I go to my right side. One arm.
Now remember, when you're doing it, you want to make sure that your legs are bent. You're not totally straight.
Yes, don't want to be straight.
Nope.
Because it gauges.
You want to have a little give.
Well, no, it gauges every part of your muscle. Now, this one's a little difficult. I actually try to use my left hand on this one. So I'll hold it like this. I'll support it. I'll support my right hand on this side.
So he's trying his best to use his left hand, but his right hand is just supporting it and guiding it so he doesn't get smacked in the face.
No, it's not. It's supporting because I'm trying to lift it back up.
Okay.
And also, you don't want to get hit in the hand. If you saw, I wasn't holding it. I had it balanced between my thumb and finger.
Mm-hmm.
And so, that's what I do for the sledgehammer workouts.
All right. Well, if you guys enjoyed this, please like it, subscribe if you haven't yet. Hit that bell notification, and as always, please leave us a comment. We'll see you next time.